Hey guys, Simon here again for another devlog, number 4, I guess. So, we're gonna continue from where we left off, which was having a UI for upgrading troops. So, if we go there, I was gonna talk to this guy, yep, right there, and we'd upgrade our troops with him. So, in order to do that, I was putting this on the screen. In order to do it, I'm going to have to make it 1, 1, but I'll have to put it back again after. Okay, so we're going to do it super simple for now, and we'll make it more complex after. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go army selection screen. I already have a image here. I'm going to put for my upgrade troops window. Here you go. I might make it smaller though. What's this? There you go. Wait a minute. This has to go there. Okay, that's good. That's me. Guess what? I'm gonna take this. No. Hold on. All right, there you go. Let's turn it off. This. Oh, not the troops. Huh. Stupid. There you go. So if I go to stage, remove this. There you go. All right, that's the one I want. So we're gonna want to have. Sorry, guys. We're gonna want to have the image of the units there, with a button over there. Let's just do a couple buttons. I know it's gonna be ugly, guys, but it's just for organizing the script. Here we go. So we'll start with 4. I'm not even sure what we're going to do with those, but we'll start with 4. All right, so let's go upgrade, yeah, there you go. Upgrade attack, upgrade defense, upgrade speed, and upgrade life, upgrade health. Let's go like this. All right. So text. Let's go with the same thing. So upgrade attack, upgrade attack, upgrade defense, upgrade defense, upgrade speed, and upgrade health. Here we go. So now we have our 4 buttons. So what we need to do is we need to tell the script that whenever you click one of those buttons, you'll need to check for an amount of resources, which we don't have for now, but we'll just pretend we do. And if you have enough, you're going to give it +1 attack. If you have enough resources, you're going to give +1 defense. If you have enough health, you're gonna enough resources, +1 health, +1 speed, etc., etc., etc. So we already have our script with the blacksmith. We're gonna go with that one. Sorry guys, I think I'm just spitting my mic. I'll just move it out of the way. There you go. So whenever this is true, okay. So if let's go there. If upgrade troop window is true. Oh, let's go this. If this is true, you want to be able to have some functions, but we're gonna have to create those functions. So public void. You'll see, guys, I'm thinking out loud, but we'll figure things out together. Okay. So public void. Let's go. We'll make it simple. Okay. Upgrade attack. We'll just start with one, and then we'll just modify it to fit for the other ones. So upgrade attack. So you're gonna check if. So we're gonna need a reference to the player controller because that's where I'm gonna hold the stats. So I believe that's where we have the stats. Yes, that's it. All right. So I'm gonna put a reference here, private player controller, and we're gonna call it PC. And since we already have a reference to the player, we'll go PC equals player dot get, not child, get component player controller. There you go. So every time now we write PC, it's gonna tell the computer you're gonna go get that player controller. So if PC dot available, and we don't have it right now, but I'm going to create it. Available resources, maybe subject to change after this. Resources is 2s, I think. Subject to change. There you go. So I'm going to go put that in the player controller here. I'm going to put it at the end because it's not something I'm going to play with too much. Public int available resources. There you go. So now it shouldn't have a mistake. Did I write it incorrectly? PC dot available resources. What? Oh, I might have done a mistake. Oh, never mind. It's just that it's not an if. If PC dot available resources is higher, and then here we're gonna put an int. Resources needed. There you go. So is it higher than resources needed? Which we're going to pass through the button we're going to use. So is it higher than this? Yes. So if yes, we're going to start by removing those resources. So PC.available resources minus equal, which stands for minus PC.available resources plus whatever you want to remove. So subtract, I guess. So we're gonna do this, and then you want to boost the attack of our units, which we don't have in the script for now. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna put it in the console to check if it works. Skeleton attack +1. Okay, just for testing purposes. All right, so let's go check it out. You want to do... I don't need this then. Well, I'll keep it anyway because I want to close it eventually, so we'll go like this. So, let it load. If we go upgrade attack, you want to put on click, but I'm gonna have to change this eventually because you want to be able to control it with the controller as well. Well, might as well put it right now. We're gonna go event trigger. We'll just create a trigger for the mouse, but eventually we'll have a submit also for the controller. So pointer click. When you have a pointer click, you're gonna go skeleton blacksmith. You're gonna go in the skeleton blacksmith upgrade attack int, and we'll say it costs like maybe 10 resources. So if I go to my player controller, I have my resources somewhere here. So I'm gonna put 10, and then I'm gonna save everything. Do I have my canvas for now? I'm gonna go this. I want to turn it on. Base camp will be turned off. Here we go. File save, hit play. Whoop, oh boy, hold on. Upgrade troops window is supposed to be inactive. Here we go. Now, if I go to base camp and I go talk to my fellow blacksmith here, I'll bring this up. If I bring those there, do nothing. But if I go upgrade attack, we should see a message here. Hold on. Nope, we don't. Oh, I know what I did. Because right now I'm not. My event system is created for something else. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna put that same thing. I'm gonna put this. It's just for testing purposes, guys. I'm gonna have to change this eventually, like I said, to fit for the controller. Attempt number 2. Base camp. Go see the guy. Hello, buddy. Don't mind me. Hello, dude. Upgrade attack. Of course, something's wrong. Hold on. Let me go. Oh, wait a minute. No, it's supposed to work. What's going on? If pc.available resources is. Oh. Haha. See, you know, sometimes when you code something, there's tiny mistakes where you're going to say, oh man, why the hell did I not see this? So I wrote available resources is higher than resources needed. So right now our resources needed, I put 10, and our available resources, I put 10. Resources, yeah. So 10 is 10 higher than 10? No. So what you want to do is higher or equal. There you go. Because of course, if you have 10 and it costs 10, you should be able to buy it. So, attempt number 3. Always the best. So, hello my friend. Goodbye. Hello. Upgrade attack. Oh! Skeleton attack +1. So technically it costs 10. So if we do it again, nope, not anymore, because if we go player necromancer, our available resources are 0. Here we go. So we have a working system for this. Pretty simple, pretty basic, but you know, it does the job. Let's just copy and paste this for our 4 functions. This one will be upgrade defense, upgrade speed, I believe, and upgrade health. Here we go. So this one will be skeleton defense +1, skeleton speed +1, and skeleton health +1. Let's go save again, and I'm gonna go back in Unity, let it load, go in those thingies here. I'm just gonna go like this, unclick. Oh, wait a second. I'm not dumb. I should be able to remove this. Let me just check something. My pointer click was supposed to work, and we prefer to have this. There you go. I knew it. Okay, good. So I'm just gonna do this. Check it out. So I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna paste it. Paste is new, and just change upgrade attack to upgrade defense. Keep 10 just for testing. Upgrade health. Is that health? No, that's speed. So upgrade speed, and this one paste. Upgrade upgrade health. Here we go. So just for fun, we're gonna give ourselves player necromancer. We're gonna give ourselves 100 available resources. We're rich. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna go base the camp. Let's go see our friend here. If I go upgrade attack, I get +1. Upgrade health, I get health +1. Speed +1. Defense +1. I want a lot of defense because it's important. There you go. So now I'm out of resources. I can't do anything else. Cool. It works. So of course it's pretty basic. We want to have like maybe a counter somewhere who's going to keep track of those. We want to make it cost more when you click more. The more stronger you are, the more it costs. I'll stop opening that. You guys will start wondering why does he show us the other game all the time? But I'm not doing it on purpose, guys. All right, so what do we want to do here? I believe, if I remember correctly, that my game controller holds the information for the units. Yes, unit database. So skeleton warrior here, skeleton archer, shade. So those are the three skeletons or units, I guess, that you can have. So what do we want to do? We want to do is have a space where you're going to hold the information for the stuff you upgraded. Is technically it's the game manager. If we go back in the script of the game manager, it says it's the game manager who takes care of placing the units. So you're summoning the units. There you go. You're putting them on the board. So it's here that we want to have the extra stats be applied when you're placing the units. So we do want to have maybe the information for the units inside of the game manager. So we're gonna probably create a new variable for this to make it cleaner, I guess. Let's go in the scripts. I'm gonna create this. I'm gonna take this opportunity to teach you something else also at the same time. So how could I call this? New stats maybe? No, that's ugly. Oh, I know. Stat modifier. There you go. Modifiers, because there's going to be more than one. So we'll let it load, open it up. Okay, so since we're not going to make this a function, well, it's not going to derive from mono behavior because it's just going to hold information. We'll just erase that. And we won't need the start or the update either. Here we go. So first things first, you want to make this system.serializable. Here we go. This way you can modify it anytime. So what do we want? We said that we have for now we have four modifiers. We have public. We'll make it float or int. Right. Well, make it floats because right now we'll just practice by doing a percentage modifier for now. So float attack modifier, public float defense modifier, public float. We said that we have speed modifier, and public float. We want to have health modifier. Health, whoops, not capital H, please. Health modifier. I don't know why I put a C there all the time. So basically, we're creating a new variable that's called stat modifier, and it's going to hold all the information that we need. So we're going to put that in our game manager script, and we're going to make a list of it. So basically we already have a list of unit database, which are the possible units that you can spawn. So we'll make another list, so public list, but it's going to be a list of stat modifiers, and we'll call it unit stats modifier equals new list of stat modifiers. There you go. And then what we're going to do with this is that when we're going to talk about the first unit in the unit database, we're going to take the first also unit stat modifier, and it's going to be able to modify that unit. So of course, when we're going to go in the unit controller, which has most of the information, what we're going to do is we're gonna give it a, where we're gonna put this, we'll put it before the, well, we'll put it at the start. This way it's gonna be easy to see. So we're gonna make a public stat modifier. Here we go, and we'll call it stat modify stats. Whatever, stats. So whenever you're gonna spawn a new unit, you're gonna copy the stats that you have in the list here inside of the unit. And then depending on what you want to do, maybe I'll modify it inside of the actual unit, or we'll just modify it as we go. But we'll have the stats that we need there. So what was I doing? I was gonna do in the skeleton blacksmith, you're gonna go here and you're gonna tell we're gonna need to tell the GM, like the game manager, which unit do you want to upgrade. The problem is if we want to use this function as a clickable button, we can only give it one input. Like you can only have one int. If I were to put like another int to tell the game manager like which index you have to look for, let's just try it. I'll show you guys. Int index to look for. There you go. I wanted to say what I said. I'm gonna put what I said. So if I go like this and I go back in the game, hopefully I don't have an error somewhere. No. Okay. So if I go inside of my canvas and I go to upgrade attack, if I go there, skeleton blacksmith, and I go upgrade attack, it's not there anymore. Why is it not there? Because you have more than one things that you have to write, so it doesn't work. So we're gonna remove that. Here we go, and we'll think about another way to do it. You kind of want to do this, and yeah, this one is going to be skeleton attack +1, so it should be. Yeah, I'm gonna think out loud, guys. You're gonna think with me. Send me your information. No, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna think about this outside of the video, and when we come back, I'll have a solution already created for you guys, so you don't have to watch me or listen to me think out loud, because this is a process that might take a few minutes, so I might not make you waste your time listening to me about this. So I'll see you next time, guys. So be prepared. Next time we'll have a method of upgrading our units. It's going to make the game much more interesting, and we'll have a goal to achieve, and we'll be able to start harvesting some souls from the fallen enemies to upgrade ourselves. So have a good one, guys. Bye bye.